Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Weekend riders, classic car collectors, and DIY fleet owners all share one pain point: dead or sulfated batteries that halt adventures or disrupt work. The NOCO GENIUS1 answers that by delivering a compact 1 ampere charger that handles 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid as well as lithium iron phosphate packs. A rider stranded on a lake can plug the 110-inch DC cable directly into a shore outlet and let the smart charger revive a 0-volt battery using force mode, getting a motorboat running in minutes. A vintage car garage can leave the unit connected indefinitely. Temperature compensation automatically adjusts charge in scorching summer or icy winter, preventing overcharge. Small business managers keep lawn mowers and tractors online without daily monitoring thanks to the built-in desulfator that restores lost capacity and extends battery life.